Okay guys, so what we are actually going to be making for dinner tonight is chicken in the crock pot covered with some cheese and bacon, which sounds delicious. So first off, I'm going to go to show you the ingredients I'll be using. So of course, vegetable oil so I can spray this. And then we're going to be adding in, let's just open on me guys, the organic free-range chicken broth, of course, because it has to be free-ranged. And then of course we have our salt, pepper, and of course fajita seasoning, what I live for. Then we have some Tillamook, however you pronounce this guys, cheese that I'm going to be adding in here later on. And then of course my challenge cream cheese right here that I'll be adding in later on as well. We have our chicken right here. I know not the best, but yeah, it is what it is. That's the chicken that we're using. And then of course we're using our challenge butter. And then we also will be using later on the heavy whipping cream. And then of course we also have some bacon that I just have kind of like cooling off right here guys. So these are all the ingredients that are going to go in here. So we're actually going to get started on this. So first off, my crock pot is off right now. So no, it's not on. I'm not messing up or anything. So I'm just going to spray this real quick and start adding in the ingredients that need to be going in. And then we will continue making this when the time goes up. I'm actually going to be making this on high for about 3 to 3.5 hours because it's already kind of late. It is about to be 1 and I need my dinner to be done by 5 o'clock today. So I'm going to go ahead and cook it for about 3.5 hours and then keep it on warm until my husband gets here and we can have dinner. And after I get done with this, showing you guys this, we're going to move into, like I said, my lunch/breakfast because I only eat twice a day, guys. So let's get to cooking. Okay guys, so now that we're going in for our breakfast/lunch, I'm going to be going kind of all fancy over here guys. I'm actually going to be using this avocado right here. And you're going to see I'm going to actually put it on the stove top, crack an egg in it and let the egg cook. And then after that I'll add some cheese to it, put it on my plate. And then I'm also going to be making me some bacon after that. So let's go ahead and get this started to cut up so that we can go ahead and do that guys. last but not least, we're definitely going to be making ourselves some coffee. So you see I have my cup here. And then I'm still using this Folgers hazelnut right here. And then above that, I've been loving putting this pumpkin pie spice. And then after that, what I've either been doing is I've been using the s'mores in mine, or I've been using the vanilla mixed with the chocolate coconut macaroon, because this flavor I'm not really crazy about, so I mix it with the vanilla. And then of course I'll add in some heavy whipping cream to my coffee. And then I have an extra surprise I'm going to show y'all that I actually made last night for my coffee. So let's make me some coffee, guys. Okay guys, so right here, as you see, this is my breakfast / lunch. I am not a chef. Do not judge me on this. I know it does not look good at all, but you saw what went in it, so I'm pretty sure it's going to taste good. And then I have my coffee over here with that whipped cream that you saw I added in last. I actually made that last night, guys. It's kind of so-so. It's a brand new thing I kind of just tried out. So like I said, yep, this is what I'm going to eat right now. And then I will get back to you when we start working back on the crock pot, guys. Okay guys, so the crock pot finally finished. So we're going to go ahead and start adding in the extras that we have here to add in. And if you hear any other noise, I'm sorry about that. It is already 4:44 in the afternoon, so all my family is here, meaning it might be loud. Just FYI, guys. So this is what it looks like right now, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and add in the rest of our ingredients. So that would be the heavy whipping cream that I have right here. We're going to go ahead and put that in here. And then we're going to go ahead as well and add in the cubes. It was only 2 ounces of cream cheese. And so we cut them up in these little bitty pieces, guys. So we're going to add those in there as well. And then the one other thing I forgot to mention to y'all is it did ask for xanthan gum, but I don't have any. So we just kind of skipped that step. So the next thing we're going to add in is the cheese. It did say about a cup of cheese or as you're liking. So I'm going to mix this around a little bit, and then we're going to add in some more cheese, and then we're going to add the bacon on top after we shred the chicken up. And that will be dinner, guys. So let's continue on. Oh, and right now it is on warm. That way it doesn't lose the heat from it, but it is on warm, guys. So let's go ahead and mix this so we can add some cheese and bacon to it, and dinner will be complete for the night. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and add the cheese right here, and I'm going to put the lid on it and let it melt. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and shred it, and then add the other 3 pieces of bacon that we have left. And if we need to add more cheese, we will add more cheese as well. So that is what we're going to do right now, guys. Okay guys, so this is what I'm gonna eat. I had to be special and add some sour cream and more cheese because you can never have enough cheese. And since, like I said, I did not have that xanthan gum, it came out kind of more like a soup right here. But hey, it's still good. It has everything in it. And you can see there's like so much cheese right here, guys. So yeah, this is what I'll be having for dinner. Okay guys, so that was it. That is everything I ate today. I did have my vitamins today, which if you're not familiar with them, go check out my last What I Ate in a Day. I'll link it up in the corner up here. And I will show you and talk to you about those. And I also did have my apple cider vinegar today as well. And that is also in my last video as well on what I ate in a day. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it gave you some ideas on what you can make for you, or even if you and your family that are doing keto, because you know these are simple meals that you can have that don't take a lot of time. As you saw, you know, it was not very hard for me to do this or very time consuming. So I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget also to give a big thumbs up to this video, guys. And also don't forget to go ahead and check out my Instagram account, which is right here. And I will see you next time, guys. Bye.